slowly buying shit for my new build I'm doing in my car. So we're going to do a quick unboxing. Illestautosounds RCA splitter box. Let's make this quick. Let's get this shit unwrapped. Illestautosounds. Alright, let's see. So this was on sale, $5 off. Dude was really cool, chopped it up with me on Instagram. This was 25 bucks. Sticker. It's like an ABS plastic, I think. Pretty sweet. Illestautosounds, check them out. Got this thing for 25 bucks. They're usually 30. So I'm probably gonna get another one for my to be able to split a 4-channel. But everybody's telling me to get a separate amp for my tweeters. That's it, man. Illestautosounds. Check them out. I was just gonna end it there, but it's only 4 screws. I'm curious how this thing's fucking wired. So I'm gonna open it up, share it with you guys. Is it? The fuck? Well, there's the guts of an RCA splitter box. Won't focus. Come on. There we go. There it is, folks. Have a good night. Please subscribe.